Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about how to make money online as a software developer. Now what is a software developer? Software developers invent the technology we sometimes take for granted. For instance, that app that rings, sings or buzzes you out of a deep sleep every morning. A software developer helps design that. And when you roll into the office and turn on your computer, clicking and scrolling through social media, music, and your personal calendar, software designer has a big hand in shaping those too. You might spend your lunch shopping, and before you make the big purchase, you check your bank account balance using your phone. Later, you're cooking a new recipe from that great app your friend told you about. As you look over the course of your day, you come to see that software developers are the mastermind behind the technologies you now cannot imagine living without. The best software developers are creating and have the technical expertise to carry out innovative ideas. You might expect software developers to sit at their desk designing programs all day, and they do, but their job involves many more responsibilities. They could spend their days working on a client's project from scratch and writing new codes. But they could also be tasked with maintaining or improving the codes for programs that they are up and running. Software developers also check for bugs in the software. And although the job does involve extreme concentration and chunks of uninterrupted time, software developers have to collaborate with others, including fellow developers, managers, or clients. Developers are often natural problem solvers who possess strong analytical skill and the ability to think outside the box. Software developers are employed in a range of industries, including computer system design, manufacturing, and finance. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 25% employment growth for software developers between 2018 and 2028. In that period, an estimated 241,500 jobs should open up. Now, how to become a software developer? You can take several different paths to build a career in software development. Here is how to get started as a software developer. Number 1. Earn your bachelor's degree. Software developers often pursue a degree in computer science where they'll study computer and programming. Number 2. Gain hands-on experience. Employers are often drawn to applicants with practical experience. Many students complete an internship or seek out experience beyond the classroom to prepare themselves for a career in software development. Number 3. Pursue a master's degree. Though not required, some employers prefer developing in an advanced degree. Job satisfaction. Average Americans work well in their 60s, so workers might also have a job that's enjoyable and a career that's fulfilling. A job with a low stress level, good work-life balance, and solid prospects to improve, get promoted, and earn a higher salary would make many employees happy. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.